Here's Noah eating his favorite food in the world, yogurt. As you can tell by the look on his face, he certainly has enjoyed it.
Here, baby.
Do you want the spoon, Noah? You can take this into your own hands.
You want me to reload it? Here, I'll reload it. I'll reload it for you. Here.
Gosh.
He handles it though.
Oh, right on the forehead, right where we need it. Is that saying, Mom, I'm full? Or, Mom, get me more?
Reload. Here you go, baby. One more.
I feel like we're watching that scene in The Grinch where they're shoving the yogurts and everything into his mouth.
Here, one more bite. You don't have to keep eating, baby. But I mean, by all means. Here. Gotta come for it. Okay.
Problem solved.